Hello everyone, let's create a to-do list app using ChatGPT. Just type write code for the to-do list website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. As you can see, ChatGPT is generating the HTML code for index.html file. Now ChatGPT is generating the CSS code for the style.css file. And finally, the ChatGPT is creating the script.cs file. Let's copy now. After generating all these things, we will be copying the HTML code and paste it into the index.html file. So we are copying this HTML code into our index.html file, and then we will just saving it. And similarly, what we'll be doing, we'll be copying the CSS code into our style.css file, and similarly we will be copying the JS file into our script.js file, and we'll be saving all this. So finally now we will be just running the application. So as you can see here, we have created a to-do list and it has opened in our Chromex. So here what we'll be doing, we will be adding anything like ChatGPT, AI. So here it is creating a to-do list, and so we are able to generate a to-do list app in within a 1 minute using the new AI technology that is ChatGPT. Thanks everyone for watching to our video. Till then, subscribe to our channel and just wait for the next video. Thanks.